are at Motor Yacht Alaya from Lürssen Shipyard. We are the oldest Lürssen in action in the whole world. Unique and only, wooden hull, amazing classic yacht. Alaya was built in 1965, so it's the oldest Lürssen in action right now in the whole world. Our speed is 18 to 19 knots with very low consumption of fuel. It's a wooden hull made by Lürssen Shipyard, refitted since 2020. Every year we had a refit, change the cabins, the main deck, the sun deck, all the structure. The hull was ordered by the owner of BMW. The hull back then was from the Warship that they built in Lürssen. So they had this hull. It was high speed. Back then it was 24 to 26 knots, the speed. It's amazing, it's a classic yacht. Everything here inside is wooden, it's custom made with a lot of details, with amazing architecture inside. Mainly we are making charters in Greece, Mediterranean Sea, Aegean Sea. You need a brochure. You need a brochure in order to have everything in order, to help you out with a lot of details that you have to do, from provisions to every single detail that you're gonna ask for. You have the brochure. It's not easy to be direct to the captain or, let's say, with a manager, because they don't know the specific procedure, let's say.
Another important reason why to contact a broker like myself, we spend a lot of time traveling. We need to research locations, we need to research itineraries, we get to speak to a lot of captains that tell us about a lot of places that you just cannot find on the internet. So please reach out. My name is Chris from DMA Yachting. Reach me on email. It's chris@dmayachting.com.